Back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I create eye-catching and stunning YouTube thumbnails using ChatGPT. Even if you have little or no design experience, I will show you how to come up with the right prompt and generate a professional looking thumbnail and make it stand out, so it grabs attention when people sees it. So if you want high quality thumbnails without spending hours designing them, make sure you watch until the end. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So we are going to be using two known AI tools today, Grok and ChatGPT. So you can head over to the Play Store App Store and download the two of them. So we will head over to Grok right now. As you can see, guys, we use this Grok to generate generate the right prompt, which we will give ChatGPT to give us our thumbnail. So I'm going to use the exact thumbnail I made from this video as the thumbnail of the video. So we will just type, I need a thumbnail prompt on how to generate eye-catching thumbnails. Using ChatGPT. Also add a human, or you can say also add a person looking surprised. Then you can send your prompts. And so guys, this is our thumbnail prompt right here. So we'll just copy it. We'll copy this prompt and paste it on ChatGPT. We'll come over and paste the prompt we copied from the Grok on our ChatGPT app. Paste. So we'll wait for the image right here. And so guys, this is the result of our prompt from the Grok AI app. As you can see, it's looking very eye-catching, and I will be using it for this video right here. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you now have a better idea of how to create an eye-catching and stunning YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more AI tools, websites, and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.